Hi, Susan. So, tell me what you're working on.
Best day I ever spent with my family.
Very good. So, what can you tell me about your writing?
I capitalize letters. I add periods. Take words out, spell correctly, indent lowercase letter, add words.
And what is all that?
Proofreading.
Proofreading marks. So, is that what you want to do? You want to use your proofreading marks with your writing? Okay, let's see your writing. Let's see how you can improve your writing.
We played in the water. My brother threw water at me. Then, me and my brother were jumping in the water. Splash, splash, the water went. My brother and me went down the water slide.
Oh, I love how you used splash, splash. These words tell you what?
Onomatopoeia.
That's onomatopoeia. They tell you the noise that the water made. Splash, splash. Now, Susan, this here, like when you finish this paragraph and you started another paragraph, writers transition from one idea to another idea. And I love how you did this transition. You went from this idea to this idea. But you're missing something to show that you moved from one idea to another idea. Do you remember transition words that we've been using? Do you remember that lesson on transition words?
Yeah.
Can you show me where do you have your transition words? You have it in your writing folder? Remember that lesson, how good writers have to move from one idea to another idea, and they use certain special words that are called transition words. What word would be an excellent word to use here? Afterward. Remember, you have the introduction here. So we're going to review the list of words that we have here, Susan. And these are the words that show beginning, middle, end. So this is your beginning paragraph where you introduced your ideas. So this is the first paragraph that's going to explain your first idea. So let's look here, all the words that you can use.
Once upon a time, in the beginning, first, to start with.
Very good. So which word do you think would sound good in your first idea here?
First.
First, very good. Can you use another one?
In the beginning.
In the beginning of the day. Okay, could be. And let's go with first. Can you add that to your writing? So first, and we're going to indent.
Oh.
That's okay. So good. First, I want you to reread your story, see how you can improve it, and I want you to continue adding transitions so you move from one idea to another idea smoothly. Can you do that for me, Susan? Awesome. Great job.